In today's digital world, making money online isn't just about creating products, it's also about reselling smartly. Platforms like G2G allow anyone to buy and resell digital items, such as game accounts, in-game currency, and even premium subscriptions. In this video, we'll explore how you can turn digital products into profit by reselling popular tools like ChatGPT, CapCut, Adobe Creative Cloud, and emerging platforms like Higgsfield. Whether you're a beginner or looking for a new online side hustle, this guide will show you how digital reselling works, where to start, and how to do it safely and profitably. Now, let's see how to buy. Go to the search option. Suppose you want to buy CapCut. Simply search for it. You can also buy gaming accounts or in-game currency. Click on Software and Apps, then go to Accounts. Now choose your offer. I'll continue with this one, CapCut Pro subscription for iOS, Android, and PC devices with a 3-month account globally supported. Scroll down and read the description carefully. On the right side, select how many items you want to buy. Also, check the seller's details. If everything looks good, click Buy Now. You must complete your payment within 2 hours. There are multiple payment options available, including credit or debit cards, e-wallets, and cryptocurrency. After completing the payment, it may take a few minutes for delivery. Then you'll receive an email, and you can easily access your order. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.